glasses.
It can't be the 80s again. It's like
nice choice of rubber. Yes. There you go. $300 budget Fairlane from the 80s. Four-door, soon to be two-door. 1969, 58,000 original mile, four-door car. Grandpa car hitting every panel, but clean as a whistle. Fully functional and soon to be carved up. Oh, mission roof change. Worst windshield removal job ever. How old is this car? 39-year-old. No, it's more than that. 41-year-old Butyl. At 20 below. Little tip. Alright, Operation Fairlane roof change, December 22nd, 2010. Pretty much as far as they're going to get. Just been doing some modifications to the rockers for the rear window assemblies, cleaned up the flanges. Now it's time to test fit the roof and hopefully not have to pull it off again. Alright, doing a quick once over here. It's fit project. How to spend your money. That's the A-pillar held in place currently, but tidy. Quarter panel loosely fit. And you can see bang on the old paint line how close that fits. It's exact. Night lighting is not too awesome in here, but trunk lips fit exactly where they're supposed to. Quarter panel's a little chapped, but soon to be repaired. Okay, here we've trimmed everything and butt welded the two cars together. And the driver's quarter panel needed a lot of repair, so I cut out all this damage here, and we made a new panel and welded it in, seam here. We spliced the rad support to repair some damage, changed the serial numbers at the same time, reconstructed the driver's door jamb from scratch, and more rust repair on the passenger side. Everything was stripped to bare metal, and fitting continued throughout the process. The fenders also needed a lot of rust repair, so new panels were made, welded in. Seam here, lots of damage, fitted up. The A-post splice seam here, and some rust repair done around the back window. Outside for sandblasting. Back inside for more fitting, bodywork, and a coat of epoxy primer on everything, and more primer, and more bodywork, and then time to paint all the jambs. All the other side. February 3rd. Insides of the doors are painted. And the car put back together, fitted final time. There's the old carcass outside, new vinyl top installed. All the suspension and brakes were rebuilt. New headliner. And here we see it ready for final prep. More shots before it went in for final paint. Here it is, prepped and painted, polished.
Car, which was pretty cool. But then he moved up to Mattai, Utah.
He turned to Mormon, didn't he?
Yeah, he converted quite a while ago. He'd been converted for a while when I met him, and that was January of '86. Never did meet his wife. After he went up to Utah there, it sounded like he was trying to put something together.
3/4 ton.
Don't say that. It's got
Now
some
you know what?
eggplant.
Let's move that thing out of the way and then I can drive ahead.